How high is your emotional quotient? EQ can determine the success or failure of a person's career. Want to know how high your EQ is? Please do the following test according to the actual situation. For each of the below questions, choose yes to get 1 point, and choose no to get 0 point. The scores of each item are added up and the total scores are counted. Question 1. After an unpleasant quarrel with your friends or relatives, you can still hide your frustration in front of others. Is that so? Question 2. You always communicate directly with people and think that this will make everything easier. Is that so? Question 3. Usually tells your best friend everything, even if you are shy of talking about your personal privacy to others. Is that so? Question 4. You are proud that you can bring happiness to others. Is that so? Question 5. You think that for most people, as long as they never give up, they can achieve final success. Is that so? Question 6. Is more susceptible to a romantic love movie than your best friend tells you a good news. Is that so? Question 7. When you always encounter setbacks, do you think it's time to change? Question 8. You often wonder what other people think of you. Is that so? Question 9. When you are worried about something, insomnia is certain. Is that so? Question 10. When you buy something, you don't like bargaining, although you know that bargaining can save you some money. Is that so? Question 11. When you encounter difficulties in your work or study, you will think it is a warning to yourself, and therefore study or work harder in an attempt to prevent things against you. Is that so? Question 12. Although you are sure that your point of view is correct, will you change the subject because you are unwilling to cause unpleasant controversy? Question 13. After making a decision, you usually take time to consider whether the decision is correct or not. Is that so? Question 14. You think that changes in the environment have little impact on you. Is that so? Question 15. You always try to do things that others think are boring in interesting ways. Is that so? Question 16. You think a person's appearance and personality are very important. Is that so? Question 17. Although you have been working or studying hard, your boss or teacher seems to be still urging you. Is that so? Question 18. Your relatives and friends attach great importance to you. Is that so? Question 19. You think a little pressure will not hurt anyone. Is that so? Question 20. When communicating with friends, you can usually tell which emotional state they are in. Is that so? If the total score is between 0 and 6, I'm sorry to tell you that your EQ is very low. In life, you don't like you very much because you pay too much attention to yourself and don't care enough about others. In order to achieve your goals, you even resort to some cost-free means to achieve them. Of course, maybe you can be better than others in a short time, but bad relationships can't make you laugh last. If the total score is between 7 and 14, your EQ is average and needs to be improved. You pay more attention to emotions with others in your heart, but often ignore them, because you may not be sure what kind of impact they will have on your life in the future. You are too focused on your promotion or employment situation and let this emotion dominate your life, but even if you can achieve certain goals quickly, you still can't satisfy your inner greed. If the total score between 15 and 20, your EQ is high, and you are a very confident person because you believe in your ability, so even when you encounter great difficulties or setbacks, You will not be easily defeated. If you are very angry at something, you will subconsciously exercise effective self-control and maintain good manners. You are excellent at controlling your emotions. You can get along well with many people and maintain very good interpersonal relationships. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the small bell. Thank you very much.